So my PHP is not recognized, showing is PHP version and check. So issue is how to solve. So run the application search here, environment. So here I am putting here check how to I have I already know. So after opening this system environment, so system environment, click the environment variable. Now open the path folder, edit. Here need to put here this, so move up, you can move up this first. So now run. Okay, done. Okay, now run the command again. Now hit the PHP. When you call PHP, now PHP is loading. So I am opening here. Also put CLS PHP version. So now PHP version is working fine. Now PHP artisan migrate. So migration is working fine. Now our old issue is that this issue is showing, so this issue is automatically solved. So thank you, best of luck.